I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's daily review. Today's May 4th, Thursday, 2023. So today here, exactly almost what I said yesterday. I said the price it gapped down and tapped that daily imbalance, and then came back up to that little resistance area, the first option, not the second one, and then it sold from there for the most of the day, and then sealed up the entire imbalance almost to the point, but we're some points away, and then retraced and then settled here. So bearish day, got a gap there, so that's going to be interesting here. And just real quick, I'm going to just mark that gap in front of you, only because this area here can be revisited easily. So we're gonna do that with that here. All right, let's go into a smaller time frame here. I'm gonna go to a 1 hour, and you'll see. You'll see here when I made the video yesterday. You have to watch yesterday's video so this makes sense. So I gave an example of how the price could move. So price gapped down and then came all the way in here, retraced back up. All right, right back to that high right there, which is what I was mentioning in the video. Almost took it out, right, in London, and then came down. Now it's New York for me. Price retraces. I knew it would bounce from here, come back up to retrace, confuse the market, and then order flow down. My objective is take out that low and then get into this imbalance, which it did. Let's see here. What's the low of this candle? The low is 32,933. The imbalance is at 28. So we're talking 5 points. All right, so let's go into let me go into 1 minute straight. Actually, yeah, it's fine. I don't want to make this video too long. But beautiful day. As you see here, no need to look at candles. You see how it came right back up to there? That was my one option. Or it could have grabbed it, but that's London, so I wasn't even awake, so it didn't matter to me. But the idea, right? So either it was going to come back up into here and take more liquidity, but it rushed. See how it opened up, down, and then Asia just brought it all the way up? That's the algorithm running. That's not buyers and sellers doing that. So running, right? Comes, retraces, confuses them, comes back up, confuses them again. Takes out that high here for pre-London, I should say, or whatever. But then really they count this as a resistance level. And then prices breaking down, retraces up. So the students here, they got to solve this. And here's the deal. So if we know we're taking liquidity out, we had equal lows right there. That was more fuel for it to come down, get people to buy as well, but then to take them out. Then the price here, the 1 minute candles, it goes up one more time to take liquidity right there. And you're in this block right here. See that? Got into this block right here. See that? To the left? Boom. All right, order flow. Lower high, lower low. This is your lower high. But we take up liquidity once, and then we come down. Now I'm already in the trade because of a 10-second chart, which I'm not going to show you. This is what I'm looking for. So price comes down, comes back up, taps. You're selling from this block here. Anything from this block here, and if it's going to hold, lower low again, and then comes back up right there, which keeps blocking it. And then you got your order flow. I'm already in the trade here, and my intention is to take it down here, take out this low that we discussed from, not discussed, but that would be my liquidity when wake up and I see this, I know that's a liquidity. And don't forget, we're in between these lines right here. See these purple lines? That's that whole daily imbalance I've been talking about for weeks, damn near. And then price sank down right to it. Now, my problem is I was trying to help people in the course, and my stop loss, not my stop loss, my take profit, I set it here just for now, but I was too busy trying to screenshot and talk and all that stuff. And then it just closed my trade and closed with profit, obviously here. But, you know, my intention was to come down here. So I missed all this opportunity, which was double the trade. So whatever happens. And then, it's okay, because I had to watch the rest of this, because I knew we were coming down here. And then once we came down here, I'm looking for a buy. Now it doesn't have to be a long-term buy, but I'm looking for a buy, because not only did we got too much liquidity sitting here and here and some price imbalance. So that was my logic of coming back up to take out this high right here at the least. Didn't have to have this happen, which it still can. Tomorrow could be just a Friday that just literally keeps flowing up or flowing down. We're sitting in the middle, but my intention was to take it here. I was completely out of the trade. Once it rushed up and then started making candles, I was done, because I didn't want it to come back against me down here, because we are bearish. I was done for the day. I didn't need more than that. It was great. You don't need to get every, part of the moves, but two good ones is generally what I look for. If it's bearish day, then it's going to be a sell and a buy, generally. Anyways, let's go to, here's the thing. We're at a level, we're in the market. We're at an area right now that, like, I really can't tell you what's going to happen. And I'm just being honest, only because we're at a central point in a way. I still expect price to still come down, and on the bigger picture, I still expect to come down here. Does it happen? Whatever. But if I'm looking for order flow here, we're going to expect some type of retracement. What are we on, a 4-hour? So you got that big imbalance right there on the 4-hour. If you see that candle, where my line is right now. And then we have that gap here as well. So price, that's a good target right there. It's already highlighted in purple. So as far as the top side goes, I can see us coming to do that. Does it come up here and get into this imbalance and maybe even here? I doubt it. Right now, when price moves down, it moves down fast. But this could range out and get ugly on Friday, or we might, Asia London might do something where we come up. We do have news tomorrow too. And then we also still have more liquidity here. So it's these are the options. Obviously, we're on the oversold on a 4-hour, but on a I believe on a daily we're still kind of here, and we do have imbalance right here on the daily. That's what I forgot to mention. I usually highlight these, but and we didn't even finish this. We actually were very close. Remember, we didn't actually close it. If you see this, we didn't actually really close it. You see how it's still open? That, believe it or not, that minute detail will bring it down one more time again for that. But we also still have a lot of inefficiency on the downside right here with this imbalance right there. So I'm going to draw that now. And try to make this fast. Just so you can see it. That would be my next objective on the downside after breaking this low. Yep. And then, and then as far as the dollar, what framed the trade today, dollar was coming up. So pretty much breaking up structure. So the idea of the day was more of a bullish day. That's what they, counted it as. And then as far as these divergences, when we were up here and we were selling, that would have been, for London, that would have been your idea of selling, because S&P did not take out the high like Nas and Dow did. And then as far as that buy that I took, that short-term buy, I took this completely as a short-term buy. I just wanted to make some money and take out take out liquidity, and you'll see here that Nas made a higher low here. So, and we made lower lows in S&P and Dow. So that was kind of how the day went, and it was pretty much a smooth day besides the trade management hiccup. I would have got double the amount, but that's where we're sitting now. And this is sitting wide open too. This, you know, who knows what they end up doing, but remember, we are in a new month. So this should technically be moved. Oh, excuse me. This should be moved, not moved, but I should add a month here for May 1st. So this was that quarter shift that we're looking at generally when the new month happens. This is a shift happening. And these blue lines here, we came up to take out the previous high month. That's the previous low month. That's why I kind of rushed down there. And then, you know, this is the previous month of March low. So we'll see how that goes. But this is the new quarter. Not new quarter, but you had your quarter here at April. But this is a month shift here. And this could be still part of the whole same quarterly shift, meaning that the next 3 months, we could just, you know, we could see shit like this. See this whole range from here to here? I mean, we could come down and end up here. So we'll see how it goes, but that's what's going on. All right. Hope this helps. You guys take care and God bless.